Most free counter tools do one of two things. They add a watermark or make you open After Effects for something that should take 1 minute. This does neither. Open the tool in your browser. No install, no account, no sign up. Start at 0, end at 100,000, and set the duration to 5 seconds. That's enough time to build anticipation without making viewers wait too long. There are a few built-in styles. I'm choosing Glow because this clip is dark and it stays readable without covering the footage. For the animation, I'm using Ease Out. It feels more natural for milestone videos because it slows down as it reaches the final number. Sound stays enabled. The ticking builds anticipation, and the impact makes the final number feel earned instead of just displayed. And the audio is already included in the export, so there's nothing extra to sync later. And this is the important setting, transparent background. That means it drops directly on top of your footage instead of covering it with a black box. Preview once, export the file, and that's it. Here's the downloaded file going directly into Premiere above the footage. No watermark. Transparent background. Sound already included. From an empty browser tab to a finished animation, 30 seconds. The hour you would have spent building this manually just came back to you. The exact same animation works for revenue reveals, workout videos, fundraising totals, statistics, and countdowns. Change the numbers, and you have a completely different story. The free version gives you unlimited exports with no watermark. If you need additional styles and premium presets, those are available in Pro. Next up is the progress bar generator. Same idea. Free, fast, and no After Effects required. Subscribe if you want that one too.